Oh, this is Sarah and Natalie gonna fight each other? Yeah, that was definitely emo Kayla. Gemini, you do it again? Yeah. Vanna, oh my god, they're making, oh jeez.
That's right, we are. You know it's gonna take a long time to upload, right?
I don't care, it's not my camera. I'm gonna follow you around, we're gonna do this. Okay. I'm gonna hold it steady as I can, people, because my arm is like broken. Okay, wait, I can't keep up with you, I'm not gonna run. Make sure you don't run me into anything.
Okay.
We're going up the stairs to go find Elena. Oh, nice butt shot. Elena! There's some... Ow! What's up? We're following... Can you read it? MLG, we need a ride. Team Rock. Wait, no! Gemini! What are you doing? Okay, I don't think Elena's even up on this floor. I freaking was listening to the doors. Couldn't hear shit.